Here's the fear that stops most people from using Claude Code. What if it deletes my work? It's a fair fear. Claude Code doesn't work on copies. It edits the real files on your computer. And one wrong move can wipe hours of work in a second. So in the next few minutes, I'll walk you through the exact safety setup I run on every machine. Plain steps, no jargon. By the end, Claude deleted my work becomes a problem you've already solved. If keeping your work safe while you learn AI tools sounds useful, subscribe. That's the whole channel. Step 1. Where your project lives matters. Keep your work in a folder that backs itself up. iCloud, Dropbox, OneDrive, or Time Machine. That way, even in the worst case, there's a copy in the cloud you can roll back to. It's free, you probably already have it, and it's the floor under everything else. Step 2. Take a checkpoint before any big change. Think of a checkpoint like a save point in a game, a snapshot you can jump back to. The cleanest way is a tool called Git. You don't need to learn it. Just tell Claude, set up Git in this project and save a checkpoint before we start. Now, before every risky step, you've got a clean point to return to. Step 3. Know your undo button and its limits. Claude Code has a built-in feature called Rewind. Press Escape twice or type /rewind, and you can roll back the changes Claude made in the conversation right inside your session. It's genuinely useful. But here's what most people don't know. Rewind only covers the edits Claude makes directly. If a file gets deleted by a command, Rewind doesn't track that. It only watches Claude's direct edits, not commands. It also can't bring back files like your .env or a local database, because those tools never watch them. And it lives inside your current session. It's a quick undo, not a real backup, which leaves a real gap. And it's not a rare one. The single most common Claude deleted my work story is exactly the one Rewind can't fix. A command removed files, and there's no built-in way to get them back. That's the gap I close with a small tool called Undeletable. It quietly saves a copy of everything before Claude touches it. If a command goes wrong, you type /restore, and your files come back, exactly as they were, including the .env and the database that Git and Rewind miss. It stays on your computer, no account, and it's $19 one time. Think of it as the airbag. You hope you never need it, and you're very glad it's there. So here's your safety checklist. 1. Keep your project in a folder that backs up. 2. Ask Claude to set up Git and save a checkpoint before big changes. 3. Learn Rewind for quick undos. Escape. 4. Put Undeletable underneath as the real safety net. Do those 4, and the scary story basically can't happen to you. I put this whole checklist, the exact steps and settings, into one free guide. Grab it at guima.ai/safety. One email, and it's yours. And if you want to actually get good at Claude Code, the full course is at guima.ai/skills. The first modules are free. If this saved you a future headache, subscribe. That's what this channel is for.